What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to talk about the best 11 apps you can use to make additional money as a driver. So before we jump in this video, guys, we do want to shout out one of the apps we're going to talk about, which is Solo. Solo is a phenomenal app. I'm going to save some details on Solo for when I cover it in the video, but I'll let you guys know now. You can get 15 bucks just for signing up in the description below and linking your account. Alrighty, so the 11 apps that are the best for rideshare drivers. Number one is Play Octopus. Play Octopus is phenomenal. It's a tablet that attaches to the back of your headrest. It allows your customers to play games. You get paid more if they're playing games. They can win Amazon gift cards and other prizes. It's also just a great source of entertainment to keep people distracted while you drive, and it is going to increase your tips, in my opinion. That's what I always saw with it, because it's just a good feature to have, and it's something that most drivers don't have. Next one being Solo. Solo is phenomenal. This is every feature you've ever wanted as a driver packed into one app. The average Solo driver makes an extra $5K a year. They give you guaranteed earnings based on your market and the hours you're going to drive. They do mileage tracking and everything. I mean, it's everything you would need in one app. It's phenomenal. Product Lab is a great way to do rideshare surveys. They throw you a few extra bucks every time you do a survey. This is something I used to do in between rides. It's generally rideshare centered, but I know they have other topics as well. It's just an easy thing that you can do even while watching some TV when you're home. And you can get paid anywhere from like $3 to $7 a survey. So, you know, you do a couple extra of those a week. And if you do make an extra 20 to 50 bucks a week, like that is worth it when you're thinking of that might cover a decent amount of your gas cost. Alrighty. Survey Junkie, you guys are probably all familiar with that. I used Survey Junkie extensively in between rides when I was at home. It's a little bit more robust than Product Lab as far as topics, but this is actual money you can earn and make. I used it for years, was always a big fan of it. It's just easy extra cash. And if it's in between rides or things like that, there's no reason to not do it. All right, Buckle Insurance, the best rideshare insurance option for gig drivers for Uber and Lyft. Definitely something you guys would want to look into as well. Just because I don't want to keep this video super long, I'm going to keep all of these linked in the description below. Check out IV Card as well. Current, Stereo, Rapidify, and Carvertise. These are all additional ways you can make money. The other thing to think about is if you are doing something like Rapidify or Carvertise, you're able to write off more of your vehicle and the expenses on your vehicle at the end of the year. I'm not a tax expert, but that is something that I was able to do in the past as well. So anyways, those are the 11 apps you guys should be using to be a successful rideshare driver. Check those out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. All of these will be linked in the description, and I hope you guys have a great week.